And hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm Francisco, and in this guide we'll be exploring how to wirelessly transfer data between phones, as well as between your phone and computer. Whether you're switching devices or just need to move some files, we've got you covered with easy to follow steps. So before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our tech tutorials and tips. Now let's move on to our main topic. Part 1. Why it is difficult to move data wirelessly. Cross-platform compatibility issues. One of the major challenges when moving data wirelessly is a cross-platform compatibility. Devices running on different operating systems, such as iOS, Android, or Windows, often use unique protocols for data transfer, which can make it difficult for them to communicate with each other effortlessly. For instance, Apple devices usually rely on AirDrop for file transfers, but it only works between iOS devices or iOS and Mac devices. So similarly, Android phones use Bluetooth and Nearby Share as the default way to send files. The Bluetooth feature can also work between an Android and a Windows computer, but it will not work with iOS or Mac devices. These compatibility issues are a big reason why wireless data transfer can sometimes feel more complex than it sometimes should be. In this video, you will find the ideal tool to make phone transfer a breeze regardless of the platform. Part 2. The best solution for transferring data wirelessly from phone to phone or phone to computer. Now that we've explored why cross-platform compatibility can complicate wireless data transfers, let's move on to the best solution that simplifies the process. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to transfer data wirelessly between devices, be it phone to phone or phone to computer, we have just the right tool for you. Introducing Dr. Phone app, an all-in-one mobile management app designed to make transferring data between devices incredibly simple. It also allows you to effortlessly move photos, videos, contacts, messages, and even apps between phones with just a few taps. It doesn't matter if you're moving data from Android to iPhone or vice versa, as Dr. Phone app bridges the gap between different operating systems and ensures that the process is smooth and secure. So not only does the Dr. Phone app handle phone-to-phone transfers, but it also excels at moving data from your phone to your computer or the other way around wirelessly. This app makes backing up important files or simply transferring media to free up space quick and easy. Its intuitive interface combined with reliable cross-platform support makes it the go-to solution for anyone facing data transfer challenges. Part 3. How to transfer data wirelessly between mobile phones and computer. Transferring data wirelessly between your mobile phone and computer has never been easier, especially with the Dr. Phone app. This robust app allows you to wirelessly manage your data across devices without worrying about compatibility issues, cables, or cloud services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you move files effortlessly between devices. After installing the app on your phone, open it to move to the Transfer tab and choose Phone to PC. On the following Connect to PC screen, tap Scan Code after you open the provided link on your computer through a browser. Once you have scanned the code and accepted the request for connection on your computer, you will be able to move data between both devices. You can move photos, videos, files, and text messages for iPhone and Android, along with music and apps from Android only. On the small chat window on your phone, choose the data that you want to move, like videos, and select them. Afterward, hit the Send button, and they will be transferred to your computer. Similarly, hit the File icon in the chat window on the computer to choose and send the desired data to your phone. The data that you need to send to your computer from the phone gets stored on the Dr. Phone Air in a categorized form. You can open the related category and export the received files to store them on Windows and Mac. Part 4. How to move data from Android to Android or iPhone. Moving data between two Android devices or from Android to iPhone can be tricky due to differences in file transfer methods and compatibility. With the Dr. Phone app, you can effortlessly bridge the gap between Android and iPhone, ensuring that your important data moves across devices without the usual hassles. Let's go through the step-by-step guide to move data from Android to iPhone or Android to Android. Start by installing the Dr. Phone app on both devices and navigating to the Transfer tab to choose the phone-to-phone option. On the source phone, select Send and choose the data that you want to move to another device. You can transfer photos, videos, contacts, messages, music, and apps from your Android device. After selecting the data, hit Send to access the QR code screen and move to the target device. Here, just select Receive and proceed to scan the code to establish the connection between devices. Afterward, the selected data will be transferred, and you can reverse transfer the data using Send Files. Part 5. How to share data between iPhone and iPhone or iPhone to Android. Sharing data between two iPhones or from an iPhone to an Android device can sometimes be complicated, but the Dr. Phone app simplifies this process. Thanks to this, you no longer have to worry about the typical limitations of cross-platform transfers. The process to efficiently share your data between iPhones or between iPhone and Android include the following. Use the related App Store to install the Dr. Phone app on both mobile phones and open it in order to approach the transfer section. Now tap Phone to Phone, and on the host iPhone, access the Send tab. With this app, you can share videos, photos, music, contacts, and files from iPhone to another device with ease. Additionally, it supports transferring files from other apps or directly from iCloud. After selecting the targeted data, hit Send to access the QR code and allow the app to utilize the device's Bluetooth. Next, move to the receiving phone and use Receive to scan the code from the source device. When the connection is established between these two phones, the selected data will be transferred. To send the files from the targeted phone back to the source, use the Send File option. And with that, today's video has reached its end. Transferring data wirelessly between phones or from phone to computer doesn't have to be a complicated task, thanks to the Dr. Phone app. Whether you're moving data between iPhones, Androids, or even cross-platforms, it offers a simple, reliable solution that handles the complexities for you. From cross-platform compatibility issues to effortless wireless transfers, this tool ensures that your data migration is smooth and secure. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.